your own personal robot is the stuff of costly dreams for most people. But soon the know-how will be available to download for anyone keen to tinker in their own homes or workspace thanks to Polish experts. A team from AGH University of Science and Technology in Krakow has developed an innovative robotics device called RoboCORE, which allows anyone to create their own robot. Cloud-based software is also available to control the finished construction.
Właśnie to jest siła tego urządzenia, że konstruować może każdy, kto tylko ma
We
małe
can build
pojęcie
robots,
o budowie
we can build mechatronic devices,
Obsługa jest prosta.
we can build
A co można
machines,
skonstruować, to naprawdę
segregators,
tylko wyobraźnia konstruktorska jest
cash
ograniczeniem.
machines, for
Możemy
instance,
budować roboty, możemy
different
budować
cash machines that can
urządzenia
exchange money,
możemy budować maszyny, segregatory,
devices that serve drinks and prepare
bankomaty,
dinners.
na przykład modele bankomatów,
We
modele
can make mechanical
urządzeń, które
devices which
wymieniają
segregate components
pieniążki,
or prepare certain
modele
elements for
urządzeń,
technological
które
and production lines.
przygotowują obiady, modele urządzeń mechanicznych, które segregują na
We
przykład
can
podzespoły
construct
lub
mobile robots,
przygotowują
swimming,
pewne
marching,
elementy do linii
flying,
technologicznych, do linii
manipulating
produkcyjnych.
robots.
Możemy konstruować
Also,
roboty mobilne,
anything that's
roboty
technologically
pływające,
interesting
roboty kroczące,
can be included
roboty
in
latające,
our
roboty
constructions.
manipulacyjne. Także wszystko, co jest najciekawsze w technice, my możemy zawrzeć w tych naszych konstrukcjach tutaj.
RoboCORE inventors have sought to keep the system as simple as possible, so that it's easy to use and can be applied to various mechanical systems. Beyond business, RoboCORE designers want to spread robotics around the world and trigger a wave of garage engineers, and perhaps replicate the success of computer technicians in the 1970s, whose efforts led to the rise of industry giants like IBM, Microsoft, and Apple. Now we go down under to see another kind of robot called Baxter that's been created by Professor Peter Cork, the founder of the Australian Centre of Excellence for Robotic Vision. Baxter is intelligent enough to play a game called Connect 4. It's the first experimental version of a new breed of robot its designer hopes will soon be visually enabled to respond to the world it can see around it.
The way you can teach this robot is you actually grab its hand and you move it around and you put it over an object that you're interested in and you say, this is a widget, right? And then you grab his hand and you show him this is another widget. And then you just, with very simple menu system, you can say, okay, whenever you see a widget, grab it and put it on top of the other widget.
Baxter sees the game board and decides the next move. It also has the dexterity to pick peppers off plants. It identifies and decides which part of the plant is the pepper and needs to be picked. In other words, it's able, according to its creator, to take a picture of the world and interpret what's in it. It's aimed at supporting industry by developing a cheaper, mechanized workforce. But one day these small robots could be companions for people who feel lonely or those who are alone. Or they could perform everyday tasks like driving.